guys, welcome back to another episode of MaidmentMadness. Now, another package has arrived in the post, finally, and that is a Xenon HID conversion kit. So this is a direct replacement for the headlight bulb at the front, and yeah, let's get stuck into what we actually have here. Okay, so let's jump into the contents of the box that LedPERF.com have sent us. So you've got the manual there, all required cabling, which will feed off the battery power, and then that connected to a 55 watt ballast. So the battery will connect to the ballast, and then from the ballast it then goes to the most important piece, and that is the HID bulb. And as always, never touch the bulbs, whether it's HID or not, mainly because any oils or grease from your fingers will ruin the lifetime expectancy of the bulb. So that's that. Then lastly, they supply 3M tape for mounting, or you can use the cable ties if needed. I've also got some more cable ties in the Oxford toolkit, as you know, so I might use those. And then this is the Sidelight bulb that I've ordered, also from LedPERF.com. Yeah, standard fitment. And what I would say is the color I've gone for both the Sidelight and the HID bulb is 6000K, which is basically just a bright white light with a slight blue tinge to it. So let's bring you back up here. So that's just a quick unboxing of what we've got to install. We'll now head down to the bike and start stripping it down, get this installed. Let's get it. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to remove a few bolts holding in the headlight and the whole of the left panel, so we can expose the area in which we need to route the cabling from the headlight to the battery. Let's get it done. Okay, so now next step is first I'll start with the side light, so take that out, and that's just here. So I'll pull that out, put the new side light back in, and then I'll remove this, which is the headlight at the moment, and then I'll start to wire up the new one. Once I get it into a reasonable state where I can test it, I'll get back to you. Okay, so quick bulb test now. The engine is on, and so is the light. Works for both high beam, low beam, flash, you name it, it's working. In terms of the wiring, it's just a positive to the positive terminal. We have a fuse here, that just came with the setup. And in terms of the negative, so I put a ground here for that negative cable, because the setup here, the cable's way too short for me to actually connect the negative to the negative terminal on the battery. So just find a suitable ground position like I have, and you should be okay. Let's get the headlight into the actual fixings itself, get the bike back together and see what it looks like. Slight change of plan with the wiring. I've actually put everything now on the right side, and pretty much the same setup. So the wires come down here, the ground is actually on this handy bolt here, unused. So I've used that. I've then tucked it behind here, wired it all the way down, and tucked it away nicely to the battery. So now what I'll do is just get the bike back together and show you the end result when everything's sorted. Okay, so that is installation complete. I'll just give you a quick front view of what the light looks like and then flick between high beam, low beam and a cheeky flash. All in all then, very happy in terms of how that turned out in the end. All the links to the products are in the description as always. Please give a like and subscribe if you're new, and let me know your thoughts about this video. If you want to see any other mods, what kind of mods would you put on the bike? Let me know. That's it for now, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.